Hi everyone, and welcome to a cold Benidorm. Finally stopped raining. Finally. Not for long though, probably. That is our luck. Always seems like if we're out, it'll probably start raining. Just show you where we are just down by Hotel Nidale. Also got the old Civil War bunkers just down there on corner. Just up the end to Levante Beach really. Quite peaceful. Despite it being like a bit rough out at sea. Some poor sods are over on the cable ski just trying to sort of do some maintenance on it, prepare it for another season. It's cold but hot today, guys. Yeah. That's how I describe the weather, but beach is pretty empty to be honest, just a few people walking down it. That time apartments would be nice to live in though, full view of the beach, probably get a full view of everything to be honest, fireworks shows. New Year's fireworks show even. Because I mean, fireworks for New Year just sort of go off about down there, that area. So yeah, you should have a good seat to watch them, to be honest. Like, we've got a good seat to watch any fireworks shows that take place in the Park della Agrava, which I mean is just down the road from us, but sort of from our balcony you can make out for it. Looks like there's another tuber there. I will say that I've noticed a lot of new YouTubers over there lately, so maybe that's why I'm losing views. Who knows? Nice bars down here as well. Stag and Pheasant, Baby Buddha. Then up the end there's a snack bar. No idea what it's called. So yeah. Still 10th of February in March. Not too bad weather-wise, really. Yeah, I've got a jumper on, but still not bad weather. 10th of February, back where we used to live, we'd be sat inside, log burner on, freezing our tatters off. Wondering what? Not with the log burner on, but I mean we'd have log burner on, wondering if it's gonna stop raining so we can get out the house. Cafe Romans on corner there, seems like they've shut for another refurb. That seemed too long since the last refurb they had, to be honest. I mean, I was saying that January's your refurb month when places are shut for the refurb work, but since February's come in, it's sort of seemed like there's been more refurb work going on in February. Just round there is Burger King as well, shut for refurb as well. I'd have thought places would have shut during February. I thought they'd have shut during January, but no. It appears many places are just sort of trying to do some work now. That cold guy's poor lifeguards in a woolly hat and a coat. That's how cold it is. But I mean, it's mental because we're still seeing people in shorts. Not shorts, short sleeve t-shirt, like it's summertime. Hotel Brisa just there as well. Very nice hotel from what I've been told. Bit on the pricey side maybe, but if you're wanting a bit more of a fancier style of holiday, that's the place to go, I imagine. Just take a slow walk along the seafront now, just built me time up a bit. Anyway guys, stay tuned because on Tuesday it's Valentine's Day, so that means a Valentine's Day live stream. Not sure if it'll be a Valentine's Day special for me cooking video though. Peacock Island just at the back as well. Only thing is guys, no peacocks on Peacock Island. Wonder if someone's actually done that as a complaint. Like TripAdvisor complaint. I booked a trip to Peacock Island thinking there'd be peacocks, but there aren't any peacocks.
There used to be.
Yeah, we haven't been Peacock Island all the years we've lived here.
Should have been here 20 years ago.
Yeah, one of them things. Anyway guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, stay tuned as well for more Banyan videos, interesting videos, and of course the Valentine's Day special live stream with me, Crazy Marcus, Benidorm Mike, Scooter Sue with a quiz hopefully, so should be interesting. See you soon.